Add and update transporter profiles to maintain compliant carrier records and billing configurations. Transporter management begins in the Users module, the central repository for logistics service provider data. Maintaining accurate transporter profiles ensures compliance and streamlines freight allocation across the supply chain. The transporter listing provides a high-level overview of active partners and their core operational details. The Details panel offers quick access to classification and business status without leaving the dashboard. Refining existing transporter data maintains the integrity of the logistics network. Contact details establish the primary communication and legal identity for the service provider. Company name and primary email serve as unique identifiers for digital correspondence and system notifications. Address and country fields define the geographical operational base for tax and regulatory purposes. State selection filters regional logistics capabilities and local compliance requirements. Nature of business categorizes the provider to ensure they meet specific shipment requirements. City and type of business provide granular location data and legal structure for contractual agreements. Manage company settings track essential insurance policy numbers to mitigate operational risk. Owner details record tax numbers and personnel contact information for accountability. Insurance expiry dates trigger system alerts to prevent scheduling expired or non-compliant vehicles. Insurance copies and payment types determine the financial and liability framework for logistics tasks. Billing configuration establishes the default rate structure for automated freight settlement. Updating profile details synchronizes data across the shipment lifecycle, improving billing accuracy and compliance. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.